Hello everyone, welcome to forceGalaxy. So today I am here to inform you that from the next week I am starting with the new LWC training batch. If you are looking for same, then do enroll yourself. In this training we will be starting from the basic concepts only like HTML, CSS or JavaScript. So even if you are not aware about all these three things, then not to worry because we'll be starting from the scratch only. After this, we'll move to the LWC concepts and finally we'll work with the number of projects and the scenarios. Next query comes here is related to the training, whether it is paid or free. So it is paid only. If you are looking for any free training, then YouTube channels are there. Okay, number of videos are there which are almost free. But whatever the online trainings we are taking, they are paid only, no free training. Now after this, next comes is related to the time period, the duration of this training that will going to take up to 25 to 30 days. The timing is morning 7:30 a.m. Okay, so even if you are a working or who used to go offices, then in the morning itself you can join your batch. Okay, then after this, even if you are having any queries, you can check out the website link I added. Okay, you can just go through all the content, everything is there. After this, even if you are having any queries, then there is a request fallback button using which you can send us a query and the same time will try to revert you back. So if you are looking for same so if you are looking for LWC training, then do enroll yourself within this week. From next week we'll be starting. Thank you so much.